Scandalous. The Auditor General's damning Petrojam report reveals reckless spending, nepotism and poor governance. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Prime Minister, Opposition, Business and Civil Society react to Petrojam report.
Filthy conditions and foul food. State of emergency detainees recall harsh conditions while in lockup.
When you sleep, that's you eat, that's you defecate, that's you urinate, that's you brush your teeth.
The Covia High plunged into mourning after teacher dies.
And in business news, gas prices to hit 9-month low tomorrow.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Auditor General's report into the situation at Petrojam and the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.